Yo, what's good? It's your boy, back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about what to do when your art sucks. So first off, let's just admit it. Let's just come clean and admit it. Art is very hard. Like we artists are literally taking color theory, composition, muscle memory, the anatomy of humans, animals, whatever you're drawing. We're taking all of this and trying to put it on a piece of paper. Not to mention, we are literally taking a 2D image, or we're taking a 3D image, drawing it on something 2D and trying to depict it, or giving the illusion that this is a 3D, three-dimensional thing. This is hard. This is not something that, you can master overnight. And so you have to get that in your head, and you have to understand that. Now, as artists, sometimes we draw all day and we can't seem to draw a straight line, right? Sometimes it just bees like that. Sometimes we just take L's all day, right? All day. We never can draw anything right. And sometimes it'll have us questioning our own art skills. And this can be very demoralizing. And this can lead to putting down that pencil. And it causes you to actually stop drawing and stop leveling up. So what I normally do, right? What I normally do when this happens, I normally go back and work on the fundamentals. And by fundamentals, I mean drawing cubes, triangles, spheres, and, just really working on that. Something very simple that I know that, I can put together and I can draw. Now, another thing is to work on something that is enjoyable, right? And, for me, that's galaxy pictures. I love drawing space and galaxies and stuff like that. But, and also cartoons, something nostalgic, right? Something that, reminds you of why you first started to draw in the first place. You have to remember why you first started picking up that pencil and started to draw. It was enjoyable. You loved it. You liked it. You have to remember that, right? Because, trying to level up your art skills, that's cool, but take time out to always, draw what is enjoyable for you. Because it can lead to burnout. It can lead to, like I said before, you actually putting down that pencil. So for more tips, click this video right here. For time-lapse drawings, click this video right here. And make sure to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and as always, I'll holler at y'all next time. Believe that.